outside getting stuff for his lunch. Hummer sits and waits patiently. Lush, you don't have a sandwich.
So?
Hummer, what's he missing? Is he missing that turkey? Oh, yeah? Tell him again. He's missing the turkey? What do you want? Tell me what you want. Hum? What do you want? My phone recording looks funny because I have a case from the old phone on the new phone. Hummer. Good morning. Uh-oh. Brain on. Yeah. Hummer, no. No. You better not. You know better. You know better. Green, why would you put it right in front of him? Catnip. Okay, I'm going to have to go and offer some guidance now.